IFM News. Lokal.
Okay. Ani Idol Joan, kaya doon pa yung detalye ka natin na Kamat Report. Idol Joan, come in. Idol Joan.
Nalokatanan na ti may sa kadagiti proyekto ang nagbinuligan na ti City Government of Lawag, babay na ti City Agriculture Office, Philippine Rice Research Institute iti Batak City, Lawag City Rice Cluster, Tangit Farmers Association, kiniti City Agricultural and Fishery Council, Lawag. Naitiket iti Rice Paddy Art, ang mabirukan iti Bypass Road apaset iti Barangay Tangid. Naangay iti programa idilaeng kalman kas paset ti panakalokat ti proyekto kinitandaran met daytoy dagiti naduma-duma abis bisita. Sigun na kini Mayor Michael Marquez Kion na conceptualize na ito'y Paddy Art kalpasan dagiti imununan abalagi para panakasayang kat dagiti kastoy proyekto. Pinagyamanan ti Mayor iti dedikasyon at ti City Agriculture Office kiniti Phil Rice Batak anang buangay kada ito'y proyekto. Imbatad na iti Rice Paddy Art ket ay sinsimbolo na iti panangipromote da iti agrikultura ken turismo pakairamanan ti talento dagiti Manalon. Kinasa proyekto ket tampok ti imahe ni Mayor Michael Marquez Kion ken adan da iti tema masagana at mataas na kita. Kasi man iti paseti na panagsarita.
Malagsakan at man ang makadwa kayo iti daytoy na isang sangayan nga aldaw the launching of our very own Rice Paddy Art featuring My Face Apple. Daytoy ang proyekto get na conceptualize kalpasan dagiti successful Rice Paddy Art projects nga insayang kat ni Mariano Marcos State University. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the City Agricultural Office for their vision and dedication in bringing this project to life. I would also like to extend my sincere appreciation to our partners at Phil Rice Batak for their invaluable support and collaboration. Together, we have made history as the first local government unit in the province to undertake such an innovative behavior. Palakpakan tayo ako! This Rice Paddy Art serves as a symbol of our commitment to promoting both agriculture and tourism and celebrating the talents of our local farmers. It highlights the importance of rice farming in our community and reminds us of the hard work that goes into each grain of rice that sustains us. Apo, before I finish, I just wish to take this opportunity, especially to address our friends from Mariano Marcos State University. Apo, please understand, shock myself, I am an environmentalist. I support the agriculture sector because I believe in buying locally and protecting local agriculture. In the future, there will be problems. You all know this. We are an island nation. Because of this, we must become self-sufficient. There will be problems in the future. I'm referring to issues to do with the West Philippine Sea, the South China Sea, and there will be issues to do with weather patterns, Apo. And that's why it's important that we are already self-sufficient in Lawag when it comes to rice, but we must be self-sufficient in all sectors of our agricultura, Apo. And that's why, people need to understand that our Manalon are the people that keep us alive. They ensure we have food supply. And we must ensure that we have that constantly in the future, despite the impending problems that we will all have to face in this world. So to all of you, kastanayon ko, nga ibagbaga na patek dagiti manalon kenti tenek di agrikultura kanyak. Isu anamnamayin nyo di agtutuloy ang suporta kenti administration ko kada kayo apo. To all of you, take care, stay safe. Just here na kada kayo aking apo. Thank you.
Paset, panagsarita ni Mayor Michael Marquesquian.
Okay. So, data pa the art until when? Dito yung mabuya Idol Joanne.
Nang rugi da ito idikal man Idol Bernard depende no kanon tong group sa no sa pagarigan adamit dito panagbaliw na aglalalo no
matudwan aya no matudwan kada agbaliw ti panawen no kas pagarigan agbaliw mo DJ Langaw no DJ text na no ko Idol Joanne.
When kan agro nga talaga dito yan pagay Idol Bernard agbaliw no kan agbalin na dito ag orange no kan at kulay da no ko amin.
Tsaka kulay da no ko aminen. Of course at may samutlat kulay da no ko kadeta nga rice art or rice paddy art. Ayan ni Mayor MMK with our Phil Rice ng MMSU and the City of Batak Idol Joanne. Okay? Any more?
Radyo pa lang ti damag, iti siya dati lawag, kadway ki 99.5 at lawag, Idol John 15 tatak per minute.